In this video, we'll talk about addition and subtraction of integers. So before we start, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, alam mo na ang gagawin. So ano pang hinihintay natin? Let the solving begin. Addition of integers. In addition of integers, there are two things that we need to consider. First thing, dapat alam natin kung ano ang gagawin kapag magkaiba yung sign ng dalawang integer na sinosolve or kapag magkapareho ang sign ng dalawang integer na sinosolve. Unang case. So, kapag pareho ng sign yung integers na sinosolve natin, meaning parehong negative or parehong positive, ang gagawin lang natin ay, syempre, we'll simply add the two integers and then copy their sign. Pero, kapag magkaiba yung sign ng integers na sinosolve natin, so, ang gagawin natin, magsusubtract tayo, pero, ang masusunod na sign ay yung integer na may greater absolute value. Okay? So, let's start. Example number 1. Positive 3 plus negative 9. So, since we all know that 3 is positive and 9 is negative, so magsusubtract tayo. Kasi magkaiba ang kanilang sign. So, magiging 9 minus 3 is 6. And then, magiging negative si 6 kasi mas malaki si 9, which is negative ang kanyang sign. Okay? Next is number 2. Negative 18 plus negative 3. So, since they have the same sign, parehong negative, so i-add lang natin yan. So, magiging 18 plus 3 is 21 and then copy negative sign. Next, number 3. Positive 4 plus 12. So, since pareho silang positive, same sign, so mag-a-add tayo. So, 4 plus 12 is 16. And then, kahit hindi na natin isulat yung positive sign kasi automatic na yan na positive yan. So, the final answer is 16. Okay, now let's proceed to subtraction of integers. So, in subtracting integers, we need to consider some steps. Okay, so first, we need to change the operation and then proceed tayo sa addition. So, paano yan? Okay, for example, number 1. We have here negative 6 minus negative 24. So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay copy the min-win, which is negative 6. And then, yung operation na minus or subtraction, gagawin nating addition. Okay? And then, yung subtrahen, kukunin natin yung kabaliktaran ng kanyang sign. So, ngayon, dito si 24 is negative, so magiging positive na yan. And then, proceed tayo sa addition. So, magiging negative 6 plus positive 24 is equal to positive 18. Subtraction yan kasi magkaiba sila ng sign. Okay? Next, number 2. So, number 2, positive 10 minus positive 24. So, first, copy the min-win, 10, plus, yung minus sign, gagawin nating plus, so addition, and then, yung positive 24, magiging negative 24 na. And then, proceed tayo sa addition. So, 10 plus negative 24. So, since they have different sign, so subtract tayo. So, subtract tayo. So, 24 minus 10 is 14. And then, negative kasi mas malaki si 24, which is negative yung kanyang sign. Okay, naiintindihan? And then, number 3. Number 3, negative 4 minus positive 20. So, copy negative 4, which is the min-win. Tapos, yung negative or yung minus sign, gagawing plus sign. And then, yung positive 20, gagawing negative 20. So, magiging negative 4 plus negative 20, parehong negative. So, addition tayo. So, magiging negative 4 plus negative 20 is negative 24. Okay, may tanong? Kung ikaw ay may tanong, huwag mahiyang magtanong sa comment section. So that's all for this video. Tandaan, kung gusto mong matuto, like and subscribe to my channel at mag-explore kasama ni Math Explorer. Thanks for watching. Peace.